Alright guys, today we're installing a claw machine, and just don't forget to eat. It's important. I see the guys coming, so I'm going to install the claw machine into this smoke shop where we already have a coin pusher. Alright. He's my biggest customer.
Oh yeah.
I did a little tower here for people to play. He already he's gonna win it.
You'll probably see me in here.
Yeah.
I'm Josh.
I'm Christian. Nice to meet you, man. Nice, bro. See, my man just won a 20. Nice, dude.
You made it.
You made it?
Yeah. That's the only ramp, though. The whole plaza. Like, you
Yeah.
gotta go to the front. That's how you made it to the front.
Oh my day. Hey, thanks to this guy, guys. Thanks to this guy. Okay, my biggest advice to you guys is remember to cut those zip ties, because I think I blew a fuse on that machine and I forgot to cut those ties on a couple of machines, not in half of them, but this one I think I blew a fuse and I need to fix it. That was close. How annoying is this sound? I mean, I turn it on, everything's great, and now, I mean, it's on and it's not doing anything. But when I I restarted it, and then restarted again. There's no music playing anymore. I mean, first when I started, everything was great, and now all of a sudden, it's not. You should work for Santa Claus. You should work for Santa Claus.
You're a winner.
That's what he's doing all day. He's going to be my biggest customer. Whoops. Be careful. All right, bro. You got one? Nice, nice. Cool. If you have anything, here's my contact.
Yep.
I'll come back tomorrow, most likely. Good luck to you, man. Good luck. We know the prizes. All right, gonna stop for a quick charge before we head out to the other account. Now, the machine that I just installed will be with cups, not this type of cups. And I put some toys just for now, but it will have cups, lucky cups in general. Also, right next to the store that I installed the claw machine, I went to grab a quick bite and I noticed that they have a lot of kids and they don't have any candy. So next week I'm going to install another candy machine. So that's it, guys. Just go around and ask. It's not that hard. Worst they can say is a no. You know, same like that girl we've been trying to ask out, but she's way out of your league. So I stopped for a quick charge and I noticed that the charging station charges with almost 1,000 miles an hour. Now we're going to the other account. We were in Titusville, now we're going to Cocoa Beach, where I am expecting to see, I have a ATM machine ready to program and start working and making me money. So let's go there. Okay, those are our two machines, which, did I forget? Oh shit, I forgot to do that. Alright, we got both of our machines here. And the last one that we're going to install in this account, it's an ATM. We might not drill holes, but we'll see how it's going to go. So the ATM is going to go on this location here. It is very, very close to the beach, which is good. I have not pulled anything out of the coin machine yet, or the claw machine. The claw machine has about $8 in it since I installed it a week ago. The coin machine is about half a month. On the other location, I pulled $130 for half a month, and I'm gonna see how this one is. Now, I'm gonna stay one night here at Cocoa Beach, enjoy, have a little vacay. The coin pusher, like I said, the first one I pulled 130, the second one had about $50–60. I did not make a pull. I'll pull at the end of the month. The claw machine just installed today, one as you saw, and the other one had $8 in it. So they haven't been playing a lot, but it's been just a week. So I'm saying that so you know what type of expectations to have. I had to come back early from Cocoa Beach, couldn't do all the job there because we got 2 more ATMs that we're gonna be installing, one of them today because there's no time. Amazing van. Oh guys, all the girls want me because of this van. It is a bit annoying. Who's calling me right now? Do it by yourself, guys. Ooh. So let's go do it. It was very good that the owner today of one of the barbershops that I'm going to install called me today asking what's going on, and I explained that they're coming today, so I'm going to go install it tonight because I work on my regular job 11 till 7 every day for the next week, and he opens 11 and he works till 7, so there's no other way I install that ATM. The account is everything in ATMs. I have some accounts that make 30-40 transactions, which is super low, and I have a couple that make about 100 transactions, which is kind of average low side of what I see into other people in the groups and chats. So make sure the account is good. I'm going to try to focus on barbershops and move all of my accounts to barbershops because of that reason.
What do I do? Just hold it.
Great success.
Alright, just coming back from the installation, and we have some presents, which I have no idea what that is. But this is machine for toys, for capsules. I don't know what the rest is though. Let's see. What we got here are the mats from Tesla. Updated on tour in the future of how the things go. We're back at the Cocoa Beach location to install the actual cups I intended. Lucky cups! Alright, those are the old ones that I had, that I just bought coffee cups. But you do what you can. Now we got those. Look way better. So this was the Cocoa Beach location. Now we're back to Titusville, and last time we were here like a day or two ago, I think a day ago, we installed the claw machine, and I went to eat, as you saw me starting the video eating at that location that we grabbed something to eat. I noticed they do not have a candy machine, so I asked for the manger, and here I am installing a candy machine into that spot. So all you need to do is ask, guys. No one heard that, right? You got it. No one even found out I'm there. No one even did. Alright, that was everything for today. I fulfilled the whole plan. Put the new cups in both machines, fix the ATM, and place a candy machine right there. That was it for today, guys. If you enjoy content like that, sorry, but I have to look at the road. If you enjoy this content, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing. That will be highly, highly appreciated, guys. Keep hustling, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.